As I discussed in the previous videos, importance of EQ for business success, and our school and college more give importance to IQ. But one of the teacher want to impart this EQ or emotional intelligence, have patience, persistence, perseverance, and to develop emotional bank balance. So one teacher asked, as I said, most of us, we don't get desired result, we get angry. If someone hurted us, harm us, cheat us, we carry also resentment or suppress anger. So anger, fear, resentment, revenge, these are strong negative emotion, we become emotional liability. So replace with have the patience to listen to other person. So anyway, one of the teacher want to impart this EQ. So ask a student, imagine you are in 10th standard. Imagine you are in 10th standard. One of the teacher asked, how many students don't like in this school? Let it be junior, senior, or classmate, or your teachers. Someone said don't like 2 people. Someone said 4. Some said 3. Some said 5. Some said 6. Some said 10. Teacher said, if you don't like 2 people, please bring 2 potatoes tomorrow. If you don't like 3 people, bring 3 potatoes. What is all about this? I hope you know. If you don't like 2 people, 2 potatoes. If you don't like 3 people, please bring 3 potatoes. If you don't like 4, please 4 potatoes. If you don't like 5, bring 5 potatoes. If you don't like 6 also, maximum 5. If you don't like 10 also, maximum 5. So if you don't like 15, 5. So next, when a student brought these potatoes, teacher gave everyone a polythene bag like this. Teacher gave everyone a polythene bag like this and asked them to keep this inside the bag. And this is a very important assignment to develop EQ, emotional intelligence or emotional bank balance. And said to close it neatly, take out all the air and put it maybe also here also tight or band so that no air can pass inside. And this is a 30 days assignment as the school starts early in the morning 9 or some people 10:30 and gets over at 4 o'clock. Said on 30th day we will throw away these potatoes. So it's a 30-day challenge to develop patience. And teacher said very clearly, I know you will not feel comfortable, and if you want to achieve something extraordinary in life, we must have to come out of our comfort zone. We have to come out of our comfort zone. So the important assignment is saying, if you can do this assignment and pass this, you will be successful in your business or in your profession. That for assured from my side. So what is to be done? You must carry these potatoes for the next 30 days, wherever possible. When you come to the school, please put into your school bag and come. If you have to go out of the classroom, you can keep this bag. If you have to come out of a classroom, you can keep your school bag in your classroom, but you must carry this bag wherever possible. Even during sleep, please keep it next to your bed. Even during sleep, please keep it next to your bed. Now tell me what will happen to the potatoes in the next 20-25 days. There's no air going in. Obviously, it will get decomposed. It will get rotten. It starts smelling, stinking. So on 25th day, one student came and asked, said, please, can I throw these potatoes? It's smelling, stinking, bag smelling, body smelling, room smelling. So teacher said very seriously, only 5 days left. Let's practice one commitment. Can you do that? I know you're not feeling comfortable because once you get into your profession or your business, everything will be comfortable. And if you can overcome that uncomfort zone and bear with that, then only you become successful. All the students realized that is very serious about this assignment. So all are carrying these potatoes. Again on 28th day. Another student came and said, sir, please, can I throw it, please? It's so unbearable. I was carrying a big burden on my shoulder. Body smelling, room smelling, bag smelling. Please, can I throw away these potatoes? Again, teacher said very seriously, only 2 days left. Let's practice one commitment. So obviously, please realize that is very serious about assignment. Carrying these potatoes. It's getting more smelling, more stinging. Imagine today's 30th day. Now, Every day is more smelling, more stinking, getting more decomposed. Imagine today's 30th day. Now it's only 11 o'clock. You'll be looking to the clock when to be 4 o'clock. You're looking to watch. Every one hour as if one day. When is it going to be? 4 o'clock. Ultimately, it's 4 o'clock. Ultimately, it's now 4 o'clock. They say, now you can go and throw these potatoes. How will you feel? As like a big relief. So in your life, there will be some people who will hurt you, harm you, cheat you, and there will be mistake by self also. So do you want to carry those people? Are they important to you in your life? Whenever you see them, their name comes, you get emotionally disturbed and not able to perform the job well. You're not able to focus on the task to be carried. So if you can take out those rotten potatoes, that is cleaning our mind, is very essential to remain enthusiastic, energetic, and perform your job very well and constant focus on the present time. Otherwise, most of we are living the past or the future. So anger, resentment, revenge, fear make us to live in the past or the future. So how to live in the present and how to keep our mind clean, that we'll be learning and practicing. When you get dirt in the body, you go and clean with a shower. When you got dirt in the floor, you clean with the mop. You'll be mopping the floor or clean the floor. But how to clean the mind? So we'd like to clean the mind and be free of those burdens, fresh. And we'll be practicing in this business and life coaching to remain fresh, enthusiastic, so that you can perform in your business, in your job very well. Thank you.